green sustainable cement. So this is basically here the carbon footprint is going to 60 kg for every ton of product we manufacture. This is an OPC cement. This carbon emission, because we are going to file limestone, calcium carbonate it is calcium oxide, and it emits almost 700 kg carbon dioxide. Clinker, this is a clinker chemical. Anything about 900 kg carbon dioxide. And cement industry emits almost 3% of carbon dioxide. So using this RTO, suppose it is having a 70% component, we can mix this up to 70%. Very important. So by mixing, we have developed a stack. This is having 800 kg carbon dioxide emission. This is having 320 kg. So much reduction. So this we are a greener cement company in the world. We are manufacturing green products. And also, this is going to ready mix plant. So, madam, our